I've been on a hunt for a new monitor for a little bit now. I'm coming from 75 hertz. So I really wanted to make a jump to at least 240. There's a whole debate whether you should get IPS, OLED, or TN. I went with the Zowie pretty much because of the DYAC technology. That's really what sold me. But we're gonna see how it is. I'm gonna change the camera view for you guys. Alright guys, let's get into this. Shout out Dangerous Music, by the way. They sent me a cool knife. This is the box. This is the XL2546k monitor for esports with DYAC Plus technology. I honestly chose to go with 240 hertz instead of 360 because coming from 75, I feel like that's still going to be a very significant jump. And also in most games, I don't even know if I can really push 360 consistently. I can get 240 or 200 hertz. I can get 240 FPS in the games I play a lot easier, so that's pretty much why I went with that. Also, the price difference was crazy anyway. I picked this up for about 400 USD, but yeah, so let's see what's inside. We got the S switch up top over here. Next we got this bottom base, which if you compare it to the other models, it's like curved up the top over here instead of just being a rectangle, which is pretty cool. If you tilt, you have more room for your mouse pad. And it looks like we got a manual. We have the monitor arm, which is pretty heavy. It's good to see that it's heavy. You know, it's built pretty good. Let's see, does it come with a... Yes, I think it does come with a DisplayPort cable. Thank God, bro. Because, yup, it does. Alright, that's good. Power cable. And then looks like it comes with just a cloth. I'm going to put this stuff over to the right real quick. Oh, so we got the shields that you can put on the side. I don't know if you guys know what these are, but basically you take these shields and you put them on the side of the monitor to block out any light. Comes with 2 of them, obviously. So that's in this box. I don't think anything else is in here. Yeah, nothing else is in there except for that. That's pretty cool too. I don't know if I'm going to use those, but that's definitely good to have though if you travel. That's really good to have. Take the styrofoam out. I don't know how my Xbox is turned on. Alright, and here it is. Honestly, after holding it, I don't think the bezels are that big. Like, you know, there's no logos on the front, which I don't think is really a big deal. I don't know. This monitor is not really supposed to be too flashy. There's the Zowie logo on the back, which is pretty cool. And then also, they did include this over here, which is basically a flap that comes down for your headphones, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna put the monitor stand on. We have a DisplayPort, 3 HDMIs, and it looks like a USB for the S switch, and then we also have an aux input too, power input. That's it. Then there's a joystick on the back with some buttons also. Yeah, the base was pretty easy to install, to be honest. You just pretty much twist and turn these. I also like how they include these little markers as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. So basically you can remember exactly where you had it turned to if you're traveling. That's pretty cool. It's something different that you see on a monitor. That's pretty much it. Really easy assembly. It has this handle up top too, which is good to carry. If you ever need to carry it, you could do, it pretty much has full mobility up, down. You can also tilt it like this too if you want, which is sick. Overall, it looks like I'm gonna power this bad boy up, and I'll show you guys some of the settings that I'm gonna use, because I'm definitely gonna have to change some of the settings. But yeah, I'm gonna get into that right now. Yeah, let's get into the settings real quick before my camera dies. My black equalizer is gonna be on 14. Color vibrance, I'm leaving at 10. Low blue light, 0. Gamma, I'm keeping it on gamma 3. It just seems the best. Color temperature, I went to user define, and put red on 88, green 95, and blue 100. And then if we go to color weakness, I just left that off. For picture, I kept DYAC on premium, obviously. That's just what, you might as well just keep it on premium. Brightness 90. This is a bright monitor too. I'm pretty sure it's rated at around 400 nits. Brightness, I'm keeping it on 90 unless I have to actually change it at all. Contrast 50. Sharpness, I'm keeping it at 10 unless I'm going on like the internet. I might lower it down to like 8. AMA, I'm gonna keep it on high because I'm pretty sure if you put it on premium, you're gonna introduce a little bit more ghosting. I'm not sure if it's like forward ghosting or another type, but I'm pretty sure it does introduce another artifact, so I'm gonna keep it on high. I also heard that this AMA doesn't introduce any more input delay, which is good to have. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to see if there's any more settings that I changed. I'm pretty sure that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm definitely gonna load up a game right now to see how it performs and see how different it is. But if you guys want a review in the future, just let me know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.